Hey guys, so today I am at work and I want to share my top 4 everyday lippies for work. So first, nung college, ito very sikat na tong lip tint na to. So kung gusto mo yung medyo tint lang, hindi masyadong pasabog, you can try KJM Cheek and Lip Tint. So pwede siya sa lips, pwede siya sa cheeks. Pinaka-best nilang shade is si Bittersweet Magenta. And yung mga kitay na katulad ko since 2016 pa knows that this is the GOAT, the greatest of all time. May tendency lang siya na mag-settle sa middle ng lips. But if you do proper lip care before the application of KJM, then I think this will work for most of us. Okay? So next is yung nauuso ngayon yung mga lip oils. If you want something na very light lang, affordable, maganda yung pigment, this one's for you. The Everbilena or the EB Serum Tinted Lip Oil. And this shade is my favorite, Toast of New York. So just look at how beautiful this is. So nice, especially when freshly applied. And as it fades, maganda pa rin naman yung color niya, lalo na tong si Toast of New York. So nag-order ulit ako ng dalawang bagong shade nito. Next, if you want something na parang your lips but better din, a tint, maganda yung kulay and very comfortable. Wala na akong ibang marirecommend kundi si Happy Skin. So we have this full size ng lip mallow. Kasi yung ginawa ko before, bumili muna ako ng maliit, yung travel size, iba-ibang shades. So nung meron ako nagustuhan na shade, which is Eclair, bumili ako ng full size. So sobrang ganda nito, isa to sa mga top lip tints na marirecommend ko. Dahil napakagaan niya sa labi, maganda yung kulay, parang pillow yung lips mo after mo to i-apply. And then ito naman si Loki, medyo mas pigmented siya, mas dark, but still the same consistency and softness sa labi yung napibring niya. Okay, lastly, if you want something na very pigmented, matte, yung parang gusto mo na nalalaban yung lips mo, halimbawa is parang gusto mo bongga yung lips mo for that day, wala kang ibang makeup basta red lip lang, I can recommend Mercy in the shade Grenada Brick kasi sobrang ganda nito. Ito yung kulay niya. Okay, so super ganda ng Mercy. Kasi yun sa mga brands na since 2018 pa yata, 2019 favorite ko na. So ayun, hopefully I can share more lip products that I love because I am a lip girly talaga. So I hope that helps. See you on my next video.